Oh, hello there. I didn't see you come in. Quite a storm we're having tonight, isn't it? They say Mother Nature is a woman scorned. Perhaps you've been in the forest late at night and heard the inhuman wail of a wolf in the distance. I have. That's why I quit the Scouts. Tonight, Vinchenzo Graves, your host, me, present to you tales of horror. Horror involving Mother Nature itself, the very fury it presents to us feeble-minded specks. Join me now as we venture into nature's fury.
What the crap was that? It sounded like an eagle. Oh well. There it was again! What the heck is an eagle doing screaming outside my window? Jeez! Man, I gotta get some sleep. Eagles screaming at me. No! The eagle won't stop screaming!
Hey Tree, how's it going?
Kill yourself!
Okay. Delicious. Heh, nature sure does suck.
What a nice day! Gross! Bugs! Ew! I hate when bugs ruin my picnic! Ugh! They're sick! I hate them! Ugh! Wait a minute! What's happening? I'm shrinking! Ah! What happened? The world's so big and I'm so small! Oh my god! Not the bugs! Not the bugs! Oh god! They're gonna kill me! Ah! Hey!
Hey, what?
I dare you touch Grandpa's leopard skin.
No, I heard it's cursed. The Incas put a curse on it.
Yo!
Every leopard skin is a curse on it. You could die from it. It's a curse.
You're a baby. There's no curse on a stupid leopard skin.
Don't touch it.
Look, I'm gonna show you how not dangerous it is. Stand aside, wuss.
No! Don't!
Look at this mangy, stupid skin. I don't know what the big deal is. See? I told you there's nothing wrong. No! Leopard skin!
It's terrifying, isn't it? The thunder crashes, and nature lets us know our place in the world. Be careful as you walk home tonight after the storm, for the rain may have stopped, but there are still bears outside.